Hey, Oz, how was your weekend?
Weekend was great. Excel Weekend. Thank you for doing this. Thank you and Legion for doing this because it was marvelous. And the second day started with my presentation talking about cleansing data using Get and Transform, showed unpivot, split by delimiter, some group by. It was great.
Anti-left join, auto join.
Oh, yeah.
And the concept. I like that concept a lot. When you put the image, people could see the difference between the anti-left, anti-right, and
Right.
the theory is important because they don't have to know only the tool. They must know the concept.
Yes, yes. And what we're referring to is the 6 joins in Getting Transformed. And the diagram was the Venn diagram like you've seen in 8th grade, where you have the 2 circles and what's part of this set that's not in this set and what's part of the intersection of the 2 circles. That would be called an inner join. And right, the concepts, got to get the concepts, because when you see left anti-join in the dialog box,
yeah, what is this?
what is
Yeah.
So,
That session was very nice. We faced some problems at the beginning because we are using different Excel versions, different language. Even the button has different size, but people did a good job, a real good job there. Everybody working together and engaged. Even the translator.
Yeah.
She learned there. The translation at some point started to say what you do before OS. Learned from OS. Very nice, very fun and nice. And we had also Bill Jelen there.
Bill Jelen, he Skyped in from California, had on his Brazil shirt. And he had some merch sales behind him that Nascimento picked up.
Right? Yeah, he was in California or Florida. I think Florida maybe.
Yeah, Florida.
Oh yeah, Florida. And using a Brazilian shirt, and we thought about who is Bill Jelen, and they made questions, and we also had a special participation there, closing the event.
We had Ashwini from Microsoft came and talked about some things that we can't talk about yet.
Pretty good news directly from the Microsoft Redmond.
The people who make Excel, not just an expert, but the people who make Excel.
Engineering team. Very nice. All the people there was amazing because of all the content and the interaction with the people there. It was amazing, incredible.
It was fantastic. And then we had the employment specialist.
The HR specialist, the career consultant. It was a very special moment because people started to make questions, and using all the time and they wanted more. This says something special for us. Because people have a lack of this kind of information.
Right.
So it was a very good choice of Legion to put the career consultant inside an Excel event.
And it brought it gave it context, because it's an Excel event, but Excel happens within a context. People want to get jobs. People are trying to change careers. They're trying to be more efficient, and what can that do for them? Can they get promotions and pay rises and stuff? So it was great to have him there. Leach's idea to bring him and go beyond the tool.
And at the final, joining all the pieces, we have a great puzzle completed. That was ExcelWeekend 4, and ExcelWeekend 5 is starting to be drawn, and we are playing ExcelWeekend 5, and this will be huge.
And let me tell you, something? It was 21 hours to travel here from Portland, Oregon, down here to São Paulo. And it was worth it. It was worth it. Because it felt like the participants were really there to participate, to interact with each other, all the effort that was put in, going out afterward. I've not experienced anything like that before, seriously, and I've been to a lot of different conferences and stuff and never felt the warmth, the family atmosphere of this. So I was sad when it was over, really. A lot of times I'm ready to go home, when these things are over. I want to go back and take naps on my living room couch, but this, I didn't want it to be over.
Thank you. I'm very happy to listen to this, and very glad for you to come here.
Yeah.
And I want to see more content from you, your videos. You have new followers now, and they like you a lot.
Yeah.
Everybody is really happy with your participation here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right. All right.
See you. Bye bye.
Obrigado. Muito bom.